Who wants to see a little street testing? ProCharged, big black car, Camaro. So we got a moment while the weather's kind of cooling off a little bit here. Sneaking out after work, and we're gonna go test Tyler's Camaro, which his car was kind of the inspiration on why I did the ProCharger swap on mine. And we haven't made any street hits with it, but we're trying to get it ready for a race this weekend. It's at Joey's I-29 Heads Up No Prep. So we want to make sure everything's going okay with it. We've been having a couple issues with the cog drive belt on it because it's got a non-crank driven cog belt that's running the blower for rules for some classes that Tyler was interested in running in before, and now he just kind of wishes he had a crank drive like the rest of us have. And we're gonna chase belt tension around quite a bit tonight and try to manage the power a little bit differently to keep the strain off the belt and see how it does. So we've got a ET in mind that we want to try to hit, that we've made a tune-up for before at the track, and I think you could take the same tune-up and go right down the street we're going to. So that is what we're going to go for. So hopefully I can kind of manage without Megan and hold the GoPro and hold my phone so we get live feedback on the car, or if we've got extra hands to run the cell phones for suspension tuning, then I'll be able to just run my joystick on this bad boy. So alrighty, see you guys in just a bit when the sun goes down. Hang on, little girl.
Yeah, it wants to idle at like 700.
Okay, grab the laptop. We'll press it real quick. Well, this pretty car that has a hood. So rare. So rare. So rare to have a hood. Hold Eeyore. Good hit to start off with. That's pretty good. That's the first time he actually
ran them.
Got on them.
Brakes worked fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, they're fucking
orange.
They're fucking orange right now, bro.
Smell it?
Is that from they do. Oh, they do.
Is that what they do?
They were bright fucking orange coming around this corner, buddy.
I don't know if that's how you're supposed to seat those in.
Okay, fire it up. The other side's already off.
Yeah, it came off in the burnout.
Pretty good. Let's see what Mr. Ryan's doing. Talk to me, Goose.
Trying some stuff from, or trying some advice that I got from some other people last week to try to help control the tire and everything else. I just pulled out too much time on that last one, so that's why our 60-foot sucks so bad.
Okay.
I mean, shoot, you lost 2/10 there.
Yeah.
We still made a pretty good pass overall. So we're gonna try to get those 2/10 back, and then try to make it run smooth. That's my goal. Alright, so we got Tyler's car dialed in. Had a goal of a number to hit, and we hit it on our third pass. Got to learn some more about some management on the ProCharger combos, and got to implement some tips that was given to us by Rankin's tuner. And that paid off pretty good. It worked, helped out a lot in our managing the tire in the first 1 second. So that was pretty awesome. I can't wait to try it on my car when we get a chance. Kind of late now, but we got 3 passes in, and Washington helped out a couple other people, and yeah, everybody's cars are moving pretty good tonight, and looking forward to getting mine back out there, and cooler weather coming up. So, all right, everybody, you have a good night.